948 लंजेस 1 घंटे में, -14 डिग्रीज में पैंगोक लेक पे रन और 90 किलोमीटर्स की रेस साउथ अफ्रीका में। क्या ये इंसान है या मशीन? ये है मिस्टर कपिल अरोड़ा, टाटा मुंबई मैराथन गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, 4 बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक्स के ऑथर, 2 गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स प्लस लिम्का रिकॉर्ड होल्डर, इंडिया के लिए ओपन सी स्विमिंग में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल विनर, आयरन मैन टाइटल न्यूजीलैंड में अर्न किया, 3.8 किलोमीटर स्विम, 180 किलोमीटर बाइक, 42 किलोमीटर रन और ये सब एक साथ इन जस्ट 15 आवर्स। एक्स सीईओ से फिट इंडिया एम्बेसडर तक का सफर।
मेरे दिमाग में था कि यार मेरे को 15 घंटे में करना है। 2 hours I'm running in dark with no clue of time. And I had 100 meters to finish and it's -14 degrees there. You have to wear 4 layers of clothes. Entire 21 kilometer आपको बर्फ के ऊपर भागना।
So isn't that scary? What if somewhere the ice is not strong enough to hold you?
वो तो है scary because सामने कभी-कभी ऐसे दिख रहा था, हमने पानी दिख रहा था।
अच्छा।
What if आपका स्टेप पड़े और यू आर डाउन।
इस पॉडकास्ट में कपिल सर बताते हैं सक्सेस के असली रूल्स और वो माइंडसेट जो हार नहीं मानता। तो पॉडकास्ट शुरू करने से पहले डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल क्रिएटिव खलीसी। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द पॉडकास्ट। हेलो सर, वेलकम टू द शो। व्हेन आई वाज रीडिंग योर बायो आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड कि ऐसा लग रहा था 10 अलग अलग इंसानों का बायो में पढ़ रही हूँ। One single person having so many records to your name. You've done like tremendous in your field. So I want to understand like how did you get started with this? और क्या क्या किया आपने?
So मैंने एक TED Talk में भी दिखा है that my story is that so I used to be very fat. I used to be about 90 kgs and I used to smoke a lot and I was absolutely not fit. So एक दिन I was in Mumbai and I was supposed to go and meet a client and client का जो ऑफिस है ना वो 4th फ्लोर पे था।
Okay.
So उस दिन लिफ्ट खराब थी उस बिल्डिंग की। So I had no option but to climb from the stairs, right? And I was wearing this tie and all and going to this. जब मैं 3rd फ्लोर पे पहुंचा ना, I could not climb further because I got so exhausted. I could not climb post 3rd floor.
Okay.
तो मैं सीढ़ी पे बैठ गया, मैंने अपने टाई लूज किया and I realized what's happening. मतलब I was about 35-36 years old and I thought ऐसे कैसे चलेगा, मतलब I can't even climb 4 stairs. ऐसी हालत है मेरी। That day I decided that something needs to change. फिर मैं एक फ्रेंड से मिला and he said there is a marathon happening and मुझे लगा ये मैराथन क्यों होती है, मेरे को मालूम नहीं था। उसने बोला you go and meet the coach. So I met my coach at Juhu Beach in Mumbai. उसने मेरे को सबसे पहले बोला कि तू ना एक काम कर, तू ना 3 मिनट भाग।
Okay.
ठीक है, सीधा जा 3 मिनट भाग, उसके बाद देखते। अब मैं भागने गया तो मैं भाग ही नहीं पाया 3 मिनट। I just ran for 1-1.5 मिनट, मैं थक गया। मैं वापस आया, I was panting and coughing and कोच बोलता कोई बात नहीं, you come next day, we'll do your training. तो मैंने क्या किया कि मैं नेक्स्ट डे गया ही नहीं।
अच्छा।
मुझे लगा ये नहीं होने वाला बॉस। अब टाइम बीत गया, 2 हफ्ते हो गए। अब मैंने कोच को पैसे तो दे दिए हुए थे, तो मुझे लगा यार चल एक बार वापस कोशिश करता हूँ। आई वेंट आफ्टर 15 days बैक टू द कोच। उसने मेरे को बोला आज ना तू 7 मिनट भागेगा, बिकॉज उस दिन तू भाग गया था और उसके बाद आया नहीं, आज तेरी पनिशमेंट। 7 minutes यू हैव टू रन। बट मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में 1.5 मिनट से ज़्यादा कभी भागा नहीं था। उस दिन मैंने सोचा कि आज मैं अपनी पूरी जान लगा दूँ। So that day I ran non-stop for 3 minutes.
Okay.
Not for 7 but 3 minutes. But then I broke that barrier. वो जो मैं 1.5 मिनट का सोच गया। उस दिन के बाद there was no turning
back.
That 3 minutes of non-stop running, that changed my life.
So you started running for health reasons.
Yeah.
But in a country that is obsessed with cricket, or when you ask someone ki bhai if you had a chance to pursue any sport, you would go for cricket or hockey or like badminton, etc. How did you pursue running full time?
See, it's like one thing led to another. So मुंबई मैराथन हो रही थी उस टाइम पे। आई वाज इन मुंबई और फिर कोच के पास गया। कोच ने बोला यू डू हाफ मैराथन की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं।
Okay.
I started practicing.
So half marathon is how many?
It's 21.1 kilometers.
Okay, all right.
And I said, ठीक है, I enrolled for that. And he said, you start practicing. I started practicing. It was very tough I used to run, I used to walk, I used to run, I used to walk. Because I was very fat, it was not easy for me to run. But एक दिन आया जब वो मैराथन में मैं गया and I did that half marathon.
Okay.
मैंने वो 21 किलोमीटर बड़े रोध होके बट किसी तरह फिनिश कर दिया. अब मेरे पास एक सवाल ये था कि आई केम बैक टू कोच एंड कोच सेड चलो हो गया वेरी गुड बट डू यू वांट टू डू ए गुड हाफ मैराथन नाउ बिकॉज अभी तूने टाइम में किया बट अच्छा टाइम नहीं था बड़ी मुश्किल से किया लेट्स प्रैक्टिस बेटर.
ओके.
बट मैंने बोला नहीं सर ऐसा नहीं करते एक काम करते हैं नेक्स्ट ईयर ना यू डबल द टारगेट. इस साल 21 किलोमीटर किया है नेक्स्ट ईयर फुल मैराथन करते हैं.
ओके. एंड
फुल
दैट्स हाउ
मैराथन
मेनी?
इज 42 किलोमीटर.
ओह गॉड. ओके.
42.2 kilometers. So we doubled the target. So we said no, we'll not do 21 better, but we'll double the target. Next year we'll do 42. तो यहाँ 21 से अभी next stop was 42.
Okay.
Then I started training for that, and then फिर 42 करना शुरू हो.
So were you pursuing some professional life में? What were you doing at that moment?
Yeah, so I was working full time with the bank. I was with the ICICI Bank.
Okay.
I was, there was a huge work pressure also.
Yeah.
So this was
definitely.
happening along with my job.
Okay.
So I used to, close the branch. I was the branch manager there in one of the branches. I used to close the branch at 8 o'clock at night.
Okay.
Us time pe we used to have 8 to 8 banking. So we used to get up. I used to reach at 8. I used to stop at 8. I used to come back home. I used to get up at 4:35 in the morning. I used to go for a run for 18 kilometers. Come back, go to my office, come back. That was the life. That was life.
So like they usually say कि you need 8 hours of perfect sleep
Yeah.
so that your system stays in place. And with the kind of work that you were into, how did you वो discipline कहाँ से आया?
मुझे लगता है डिसिप्लिन से ज्यादा पैशन और हंगर था.
Okay.
जब वो हंगर आ जाता है ना पैशन आ जाता है ना then everything else doesn't matter.
Okay.
For example, small things which I used to do. I used to earlier come back home और मैं टीवी देखता था 2-3 घंटे. अब मैं टीवी देखना बंद हो गया. I used to come back home, eat and sleep at 9:30. And then I used to get up in the morning because you are right, sleep तो चाहिए ना.
हाँ, true.
But ये जो नॉन इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हैं और ऐसी चीजें जो which is not adding value to your life, I started cutting them.
So this means time is never a problem.
Time is never a
So
problem.
people who are working full time, they say कि यार time नहीं है इस चीज के लिए, fitness को देने के लिए time नहीं. So time is not the problem. The choices are.
Absolutely, it's the priorities. I always say it's not the time, it's the priorities. If your priority is your health, then you'll find time.
True. So I was reading your bio, sir, and you have multiple records to your name.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about that? और क्या किस चीज के regarding है वो records?
Yeah, so a few records like COVID में सब लोग बड़े परेशान थे.
हाँ.
So I thought of doing something different because you have to keep your mind alive, right?
Yeah.
So I kept researching on to create some records, and there was some very crazy kind of record.
Yeah.
It was basically you were supposed to lie down on your hand and your feet on 4 beer bottles.
Okay.
And do push-ups.
Oh God.
And you were supposed to do push-ups for 1 minute. The current world record was 48. I started preparing for that.
Okay.
But the problem in that was that there's a huge chance of you getting injured.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर वो bottle गिर गई तो it will आपको ये लगेगा. Plus you can break your nose.
Yeah.
You can break your head. I started training for that. वो नहीं हुआ. फिर I thought नहीं कुछ और करता हूँ. Then मैंने Google सर्च किया एक रिकॉर्ड था that lunges का. I used to do lunges, right? जैसे lunges करते हैं ना वर्कआउट में. तो मुझे लगा what if I become the only person in our country who do maximum lunges.
Okay.
In 1 hour. So I'm an
Okay.
endurance athlete. I can do more numbers.
Okay.
So I attempted for one record wherein for 1 hour I kept doing lunges.
For 1 hour.
1 hour. I did 948 lunges.
948 lunges back to back, continuous.
Non-stop. Because I had a camera here. I had a doctor who was sitting here. I contacted Limca Book of Records. They had this protocol. And so 1 hour I was doing it. Yeah. So, and then I sent it to them and they checked and they said, oh, this is a national record.
Oh God.
Yeah.
So when we are running a race,
Yeah.
so there are like 4-5 laps जो
Yeah.
हमने school time पे races
Yeah.
की हैं. So like first lap is good, second is, but when you are almost about to hit the ribbon, उस end moment में लगता है I think I cannot do it, I cannot do it. So while you were pursuing the lunges, तो ऐसा last में 45 minutes के बाद थोड़ा कुछ feel हुआ कि 15 मिनट और थोड़े से और?
जान निकल
How
गई
did you
थी
push yourself? निकल मतलब that's but obvious जान तो निकलेगी. It is like 948 damn lunges.
Because एक तो ये जून के महीने में था and then
Oh God.
you know it was hot. I was doing it in my building का एक refuge area था, खाली area वहाँ. So I was drenched in sweat. From head to toe I was absolutely drenched. तो जूता भी मेरा गीला हो गया था. So I was sweating like nuts, but then I was only focused on my time. Okay, and more so I was focused on the right form, because if your form is not right, that lunge will not be counted.
Okay,
so my entire focus, it's like 1 hour of deep meditation into one thing.
True.
Because you cannot screw up your form. You have to be perfect in form, otherwise it won't be counted.
So as an athlete, when you are physically pushing your limits so much, I think you require a lot of your mental capacity also. So
absolutely.
how do you prepare yourself mentally for stuff? Physically, so you do activities, you train your body, you do strength training, endurance training. But दिमाग को कैसे train करते हो?
It's a great question. So, you know, I read a lot. So I read a great book about this entire subject, written by a coach and athletes. And the name of the book is How Bad Do You Want It?
Okay.
Okay. So example, suppose you are running a race, like you rightly said. So there is one person ahead of you, and this is you. So you know that finish line is there. If you push forward, you can get gold and that person will get silver.
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर आप गिव अप कर दो तो उसको गोल्ड मिलेगा, तुम्हें सिल्वर मिलेगा. नाउ दैट मैटर, दैट मोमेंट डिपेंड्स हाउ बैड डू यू वांट इट. इफ यू वांट इट क्रेजी बैड, राइट, यू विल गिव योर 110%. बट होता क्या है उस मोमेंट पे, 99% पीपल दे गिव अप, ओके, एंड दे लेट द अदर पर्सन गो. सो you train your mind. The way you train your mind is that you start preparing for that race or that event 2-3 days prior to the main event.
Okay.
Like even when you're sleeping, you are mind mapping the entire thing. Everything, minute detail. That example, if I had this race coming up, I'll plan in my head that उस दिन morning में कितने बजे उठूंगा. I'll get up at 4:35. Which clothes I'll be wearing. Okay. I'll go to the loo, I'll come back, I'll eat this breakfast, right? मैं किचन में जाऊंगा, ये breakfast बनाऊंगा, ये coffee पीऊंगा, ये eggs खाऊंगा, फिर मैं नीचे जाऊंगा, I'll take my car, I'll go there, the race will start, I'll be standing here, at 5K I'll be feeling like this is the entire route and this is how I finish.
Okay.
So entire mind mapping is done.
Okay.
Exactly the way, it's like you see the movie, right? अब movie को rewind करके देखो कि मतलब movie देख लिया एक बार, उसके पीछे जाओ एंड यू नो ना कि अच्छा
इसके बाद ये होगा.
तो यू प्लान दिस इन योर हेड. नाउ यू ट्रेन योर माइंड.
ओके.
राइट. एंड यू नो उसमें ट्रेनिंग में ये भी लिखा था कि टाइम विल कम व्हेन यू फीलिंग वेरी टायर्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ इट इज अ 90 किलोमीटर रेस, at 75 kilometer you're feeling very 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 tired, right? Then you have to tell yourself, boss, abhi you cannot give up. Right? Keep humming something or keep something in your mind. Keep your mind alive. So you train your mind for the big day. You cannot train on that day. You pre-train, and that's how you train your mind.
Amazing. Amazing and beyond our conception. So sir, you are an Iron Man too.
Yeah.
सबसे पहले I would want you to tell people what Iron Man is all about.
Iron Man is an endurance event. It's basically you have to swim, cycle and run in one go. So you have to swim for 3.8 kilometers.
Okay.
It's usually in the sea or the river.
Okay.
3.8 kilometers swimming करने के बाद you have to cycle for 180 kilometers.
In one go, without breaks.
आप swim करके आए, swim करके आके आपका टाइम चालू है. Swim करके आके आपने साइकिल पकड़ा, साइकिल you start riding for 180 kilometers.
Okay.
Okay. Then you throw your cycle and you start running for 42 kilometers.
Oh God.
So you're doing everything.
As if marathons were not enough.
So you're doing swimming, cycling and running. Entire thing in one stretch. And there's a cutoff there. You can't take your own sweet time.
Okay.
ओके तो क्योंकि अगर आपने साइकिल स्लो किया और आप कट ऑफ से बियॉन्ड है यू विल बी
You'll
डिस्क्वालिफाइड
not. Okay. And how much time did you take to
so
complete?
every race has different time limits.
Okay.
I did this 4 times.
Mm-hmm.
I went to New Zealand, I went to Brazil, I went to Phuket, yeah, and once I did in Goa. New Zealand was a big one.
Okay.
And there they gave us 17 hours. And
One day, 17 hours, you
Yeah.
had to do all that,
yeah,
and
yeah,
you
yeah, yeah,
completed
yeah.
it.
Absolutely. So it was, I took about, my target was 15 hours.
Okay.
And इसमें एक मजे की बात बताता हूँ कि क्या हुआ. आई एम वेयरिंग दिस वॉच, राइट, दिस इज GPS वॉच. सो स्विमिंग हो गया, साइकिलिंग हो गया. अब जब रनिंग करना शुरू किया ना तो न्यूजीलैंड में इट वाज वेरी कोल्ड देयर, इट्स अबाउट 4-5 डिग्रीज. सो 4 बजे ना अंधेरा हो गया.
अच्छा.
एंड वी आर स्टिल रनिंग.
Okay.
एंड इट्स डार्क. नाउ यू नो यू आर इन अ डिफरेंट सिटी. कभी तुम उस शहर में कभी गए नहीं हो, तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स,
True.
राइट, एंड सडनली डार्क. So I am just trying to run, figuring out कहाँ से जाना है. और the only thing I was watching was my watch.
Okay.
Because watch में timing मेरे कोच ने बोला था 15 घंटे में करना है, so I was watching. अब क्या हो गया, ये वॉच इतनी देर से सुबह से चल रही थी,
इसकी भी
ये
battery.
बैटरी खत्म हो गई.
Oh.
So वॉच बंद हो गई. Now you have no knowledge about time. And there are stretches which was absolutely dark. So you're running in dark. कुछ नहीं दिख रहा आगे, right? तुम बस भाग रहे हो. And you are tired, because आप 13-14 घंटे से ये काम कर रहे हो. Now मेरे दिमाग में था कि यार मेरे को 15 घंटे में करना है. But I don't know because watch अब टाइम ही नहीं पता. तो so खैर I kept doing my stuff. Now just see how the mind and maybe a larger power holds you. The moment I reached the final stretch, जहाँ पे आपको फिनिश लाइन दिखती है, राइट, वहाँ गेट बना हुआ है और ऊपर वॉच लगी हुई है. द टाइम इज टिकिंग देयर, राइट. 2 hours I am running in dark with no clue of time, right? Just imagine the drama. I reached there and I saw उसके ऊपर टाइमिंग लिखा हुआ था 14 hours 59 minutes and 16 seconds. And I had 100 meters to finish, right? So I sprinted, I ran very fast, 100 meters, I finished, and the final time was 14 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds.
Oh God, got at 15
Yeah,
hours.
so exactly I got that 15 hours. Even though last 2 hours मेरे को कोई पता नहीं कितना टाइम हो रहा है. So sometimes it's so amazing that वो बोलते हैं ना, कभी कभी जब तुम सोचो और प्लान करो, everything's fall in line. You don't know how it happens. It just
Mind
happens.
mapping went real.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
To precisely to the second. 15 hours. It's not like a small time, right?
Obviously. That's great. So you've run multiple races like Ironman you have completed, Comrades Ultra you have done,
Yeah.
and there was this Pangong Lake,
Pangong Lake, yeah.
race. So which amongst all these three was the toughest for you?
See, I think every race has its own challenges. For example, when I did my first Comrades is a 90-kilometer race.
Okay.
So you go to South Africa, you start from one city and you run for 90 kilometers non-stop.
Okay.
And it's like going from, say, Jammu to Patni Top, because you're going up the hill.
Okay.
Slowly you're going up the hill and the race ends on the hill. It was very tough because I had never in my life ran more than 45-50 kilometers. And suddenly you are running 90 kilometers.
90.
And again, the race has cut off. You cannot stop in between. If you stop, you slow down, वो cut off आ जाएगा, आपको disqualify हो जाएगा.
Okay.
So you have to keep running. For 12 hours, you are running. You are eating, अब जो आपको मिल रहा है आप खा रहे हो. भागते भागते रुक नहीं सकते ना. खा रहे हो, फिर ऐसे बड़ा माउंटेन आ रहा है, आप देख रहे हो माउंटेन, आप चढ़ रहे हो माउंटेन, फिर नीचे आ रहे हो. फिर कोई बिस्किट दे देता, बिस्किट खा जाते हो. कोई केला देता, केला खा जाते हो. They give you potatoes, you eat potatoes. वहाँ पे the Coke sponsors the entire race. So they give you green color का Coke, आप Coke पी रहे हो. I mean, everything is happening, but you are running.
In motion.
So I did that race 4 times.
Okay.
First time जब मैंने किया तो बहुत मुश्किल लगी थी, because I had never done. Second, third में easy लगा. Ironman was tough. Ironman because there were 3 things and there was a huge long race. Then Pangong was a unique experience. Pangong was a world record attempt. Somewhere they found me from internet.
Okay.
And they called me and said, look, they said, look, we are doing a world record attempt. And the Pangong Lake is frozen.
Yeah.
Right, in Feb. And they said the record is that you have to go inside the lake on
Okay.
ice.
Okay.
Okay, and it's minus 14 degrees there, and you have to wear 4 layers of clothes
And run too.
and run, and with wearing spikes on your shoes. But the record is you have to run on ice.
Okay.
Entire 21 kilometer आपको बर्फ के ऊपर भागना. You cannot come on land.
Okay.
Once you're in the middle of the lake, you're in the middle of the lake.
So isn't that scary? What if somewhere the ice is not strong enough
वो
to
तो
hold
है
you?
scary because सामने कभी-कभी ऐसे दिख रहा था, सामने पानी दिख रहा था.
अच्छा.
What if you
Yeah,
know आपका step
exactly.
पड़े और you are down,
Yeah.
and evacuation chance is zero there because you are at a place where your chopper can also not land there, right? So you are in a crazy place. Like it's so cold there, like minus 14, 15 degrees. It's a very unique situation, right? आपने एक तो इतने कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, right? And but body गर्म हो रही है, पसीना आ रहा है अंदर से, but you cannot remove.
True.
Plus ice है और आप ice के ऊपर भाग रहे हो. It's not easy to run. Also, there is lack of oxygen there.
Ah, yeah.
Right? So only
Exactly.
40% oxygen than the normal oxygen.
Yes.
So you're taking
Plus the continuous fear कि कहीं पर ice पतली and
हाँ,
what if
everything is happening.
carrying everything along with
Yeah, yeah,
yourself
yeah,
and
but-
just running.
But you know the passion
The
is so strong that
passion.
you just love this.
Yeah.
You know, they even checked us before running the race कि भाई आपका stats ठीक है नहीं. If stats were not right, they would have not
They
allowed
won't
us.
allow. Okay.
But they allowed, and then the whole journey was so exciting that I just love it, man. Wonderful.
So we just came across this thing and we came to know that you've organized Patnitop marathons.
Yeah.
So 4 super successful editions you've already done,
Yeah.
and you've received an overwhelming response not from just Jammu and Kashmir but from the entire all over India.
Yeah.
So I want to know a little bit more about the Patnitop Marathon 5.0 that's happening very
Yeah,
soon.
yeah.
So मतलब कहाँ से मतलब as if the simple roads were not enough that you're organizing it on the hills now?
Yeah. So the concept came because I went across the world running marathons. I did about 85 marathons in some 12 countries. And I realized that हम लोग इतना बाहर जा रहे थे and we were doing races on hills. And especially during comrades in African races, I realized that we have equally beautiful place. और जब जम्मू आया तो मुझे याद आया कि हमारे बचपन की याद है कि हम पत्नीटॉप थे. That was our favorite hill station, right?
Yes.
Everybody's favorite hill station.
Yeah.
So when I started thinking कि यार पत्नीटॉप में मैराथन क्यों नहीं हो सकती, then I met some friends here and we started discussing कि क्यों नहीं हो सकती. मेरे एक खास फ्रेंड है प्रवीण रैना जी, उनके साथ में काफ़ी बात किया and we thought of having possibility and we thought let's have something unique. City event से अच्छा हम पत्नीटॉप में करते हैं. That's how I went to Patnitop. फिर हमने first edition किया, second किया, third edition was very good, fourth was very very good. We got people from 27 cities
Okay.
from 15 states last year who came and participated.
That's a huge amount.
Yeah, and अभी example Bombay से एक group आया था which was 39 people and they are coming again
In this
in
edition.
this because they just loved it.
Okay.
So the day I opened it for registration, उसका phone आया मेरे को and Rachna said, boss आप बताओ खोल कब रहे हो? मैं बोला बस and they were the first people to register.
Okay. That entire group of
That
people.
entire group of people. And
Oh,
then
that's nice.
yesterday there were some people from Chennai, some 6 people from Chennai who registered.
Okay.
So this time we're looking at about 1,000 people, right? It's going to be a bigger, huge event. Our 5th edition. So we're giving a very nice signature 5-star medal, which
I heard that's a surprise, huh?
it's a beautiful medal, and yeah, thanks to your team, you guys have created a very nice medal and a very nice T-shirt. Okay, we have a slogan on the T-shirt, we have medal. I will have a bigger canvas this time, and yeah, it's beautiful. I went.
So what are the different race formats?
Yeah, so we have a half marathon, which is 21.1
Okay.
kilometer. Then we have a 10 kilometer.
Okay.
Then we have a 5 kilometer. These are all timed runs.
Okay.
Okay, and you have various age categories. We have 5 age categories: 18 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55,
Okay.
55 to 65.
Okay.
You know, and 65 plus.
You have that also?
Of course,
Oh,
you'll not
God.
believe there are so many runners in Jammu across the country that they are 65, 70, 75 years old and they want to run 21 kilometers. Right? That's a call to a lot of youngsters.
Obviously.
If somebody is
that's
at
true.
80 who is running, you know, somebody is at 18, 19 can easily do that. So ये 3 races हैं और उसके बाद we've started a new category this time. If you don't want to run and still be a part of it, there is something called a 5-kilometer walkathon.
Okay, I was about to come there.
Yes, which is a non-competitive but fun walk.
Okay, so you do it at your own pace, at your own time.
Yeah, you
just
chill,
walk.
enjoy, listen
Just
to music,
start.
click selfies, dance, do whatever you want.
Nice.
Right? So that's like a fun walk. Right? So age entry is 2 years and age exit is no exit. So
Okay.
even if you're 100 or 102, you are welcome. As long as you walk, you can come.
Okay, so there are a lot of marathons happening all across the country.
Yeah.
If I have to ask you, why Patnitop Marathon? Why should somebody choose Patnitop Marathon over all the marathons happening across the country?
So first of all, we do it in summers.
Okay.
So it's happening in May. May 90% in the country. May is a hot time, right? It's summer time, and it's not a good time for people to run because it's hot, right? So we are doing there. So the weather is very good in Patnitop. We have 12 to 15 degrees, wonderful weather. Secondly, and the most important thing, we call it India's most beautiful marathon. That's our tagline.
Okay.
Right? The kind of experience you have it here, the kind of landscapes you have it here, you'll never find anywhere.
True.
So you can run a marathon or you can run India's most beautiful marathon.
Yeah.
You
Makes
choose.
a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's nice.
In
That's
good
nice.
weather, rather than running in summers in that. Just imagine if you're in a metro, right? You're running in the polluted cities with what, 800 AQI level, 400 AQI level.
Yeah.
Here there is no AQI level, right? The quality of air is heaven, right? The weather is perfect, quality of air is good. You come and run here and see the beautiful landscapes.
So recently something very unfortunate happened in Pahalgam.
Yeah.
So जिसकी वजह से there's a narrative out there and like people are skeptical. There are a lot of cancellations happening. अभी आज सुबह मैंने newspaper में पढ़ा कि a lot of people who booked hotels and all they're cancelling that. So what kind of effect it is having on the marathon and like how are we taking care of the security?
No, it's a very good question, and first of all, it's so unfortunate, and our heart cries when we see those images on TV.
True.
Very, very unfortunate. But for marathon, none of these people who have registered till now, and I'm telling this on record, not even a single person came back to me. Even those people who are coming outside J&K, and there are hundreds of them, saying that we are not coming. They all are coming.
Oh, that's great.
Everybody wants to come.
Wow.
Right? But to answer your question, we'll have added security this time.
Okay.
We've spoken to state government and they are very, very helpful. They are very keen. We are in touch with the tourism department. We are in touch with the local police department. We are in touch with the Patnitop Development Authority, the authority who takes care of the region. We've even reached out to the CM's office, right? So we want to do it as a city event. So we've reached out to all the relevant organizations within the city, so that the security is at utmost level there. Yeah.
All right, that's great. So coming back at it, आज तो कोई ऐसी रेस रही है that you've not been able to complete?
एक बार ऐसा हुआ था. एक ट्रेल रन था. मैं जनरली ट्रेल रन करता नहीं था.
Okay.
But महाराष्ट्र में एक जगह है. We were running there. I think it was 35-40 kilometers. Unfortunately क्या हुआ? It was in the hills. And मेरे को जाना था लेफ्ट, और वहाँ पे लेफ्ट और राइट का जो एक मार्किंग था ना, वो उड़ गया था. Okay. So it's like you're in the hill. Now there are two ways coming. Okay. You don't know where to go because the marking itself is gone. So अब you just take your gut. So I went here, and I was supposed to go here.
Okay.
So I went deep down. At least 2-3 hours I went in the forest, and then I realized, boss, I'm going wrong.
Oh.
And होता क्या है कि these kind of things can be fatal.
True.
Because you don't get, you're lost, right? And it was hot, and you don't get water, and you're thirsty like hell. If your water level drops beyond a point, and you're in the middle of nowhere, it can be fatal. So I still completed it, but I came after a long time because then I have to come back and all. But these things happen. These are all part of life.
तो सर आपकी इतनी सारी कहानियां सुन के भागने की मुझे तो सुन के ही थकावट सी होनी शुरू हो गया है. सो आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि रेसेस होती है जैसे कभी भी बड़े इवेंट्स होते हैं उसके बाद पोस्ट इवेंट पीपल चिल आउट रिलैक्स. सो आपका कुछ ऐसा रहता है कि आफ्टर मैराथन डू यू गाइस सेलिब्रेट, डू यू गाइस पार्टी, कुछ ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है?
Yeah, we party hard. Of course we party hard. After the marathon, ये हमारा रिचुअल था. बॉम्बे में हमारे कोच हैं ब्रिंसन, जो मेरे कोच हैं. हमारा रिचुअल ये है कि जिस दिन मैराथन होती है, एंड दिस इज समथिंग क्रेजी, और मैराथन सुबह हो रही है, इसका मतलब आप सुबह, पिछले दिन आप 3 बजे उठे हो, आप सुबह गए हो, 4 बजे पहुंचे हो, 5 बजे रेस स्टार्ट हुई है, आप 8-9 बजे तक भागे हो, यू आर क्रेजी टायर्ड, राइट? बट पार्टी उसी दिन रात को होती थी.
How is it possible? ये कैसे, how you humanly possible? कैसे है सब?
आप इतने थके हो, 2 किलोमीटर तक भागे हो, उसके बाद वापस आए हो, but the fact that you accomplished something, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And your friends are waiting. And सबका वही हालत है, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम अकेले हो. तो शुरू में तो सबको लगता है यार बड़े थक गए होंगे, घर जाते हैं, हम थोड़ा सोते हैं, उठते हैं, बट शाम को जब पार्टी होती है, that goes on till 2-3 o'clock, and that's our signature once in a year party, which is post marathon party.
Okay.
And nobody misses it. So we have a group of about 350 people.
Okay.
So ये सारे के सारे 350 लोग आते हैं, and we party very hard.
Party मतलब how do you guys, you fit people define party?
We party like crazy, like nuts, right? We dance, we DJ, we generally book a hotel or a pub or something.
Like normal humans.
Like normal humans. That day is like celebration, right?
Okay.
You celebrate, and because we are tired, but still we dance like nuts. You know, because that sense of accomplishment is so high कि आपने कुछ ऐसा मुश्किल काम किया, you feel so good about yourself that you just want to have fun. Yeah. So every time we have this party. We also are now in Mumbai, we are starting this concept of parties, after morning parties.
Okay.
Okay, which means that on Sunday you go run, and generally run के बाद we thought people used to go in their with their groups, इधर उधर चले जाते थे. So we have tied up with a few hotels now, and we come there and we party in the morning at 7:30. सुबह हम भागने जाते हैं 5 बजे.
हम सोए होते हैं और आप पार्टी कर रहे होते हो.
हाँ, हम 2 काम करते हैं. हम पहले भागते भी हैं.
अच्छा, उससे पहले भागते भी हो.
So we'll run say 18-20 kilometers. उसके बाद we'll meet people and we'll have party at from 7:30 in the morning to say about 11 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, that's nice.
So Sunday morning is absolutely rocking.
So I want to understand, what do you superhumans eat? क्या खाते हो? मतलब हमारी तरह नॉर्मल ये सब्जी दाल खाते हो, या do you have something special? आपका diet plan is something different?
So see, you have to be conscious about what you eat. Not that you're eating something extraordinary, but you know that you're not eating too much fat. You're not eating too much sugar.
Okay.
You're eating on time. I think the best part about runners is that एक discipline आ जाता है life.
Yes.
Because if you have to get up at 4 in the morning, you have to wind up the day early. You know, you have to wind up the day at say 9 o'clock. इसका मतलब आपको 9-9:15 बजे खाना पड़ेगा. इसका मतलब आपका जो आफ्टरनून मील है वो भी एक टाइम पे होना चाहिए.
True.
So your entire life gets disciplined. खाना वही है, but it's with some more consciousness. You're not going overboard with things. But if you're training for a real hard event, then you have to be extremely careful.
Okay.
Like when I was training for Ironman, that was about 30 hours a week of training. So coach used to give me different because if you're working out so much, right, then you need more protein, you need more rest, you need different kind of diet.
True.
So if you're preparing for a competition, your diet changes. Otherwise, when the competition is over, you have a normal diet. So we have to be very conscious.
So people have different types of rituals. जैसे कि Saturday rituals होते हैं, Sunday rituals होते हैं. Something that they carry out like every week or daily. So pre-run, do you have a certain ritual that you follow?
Yeah. So pre-run, everybody has a ritual that you know. Sometimes people eat something. It all depends what works for you. The coffee works for me, so I'll have a normal, not a black coffee, but normal coffee early in the morning.
Okay.
And I have one banana. That works for me.
Okay.
For some people, something else. They eat oats and they eat bread or peanut butter. I think ये सब is more personal.
Okay.
But generally people have this, and this जब आप ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो तो आपको पता है कि what works for you, right? So you do that. और रेस के पहले our coach he suggests what workout you need to do to warm up your body. So that's done. You know, you do that
Okay.
workout, you do this. Yeah.
This is a little out of the box question, but जैसे as women, like जब I used to play a lot of sports when I
Yeah.
was back in school, तो एक general statement आती थी कि मत खेल इतना धूप में, काली हो जाएगी.
Yeah.
So have you, as a person, as a man running races, have you faced any kind of stereotype associated with running?
So there are stereotypes, you know. People say that the biggest stereotype was that people say कि बस अगर तू इतना रन करेगा तो तेरा घुटना खराब हो जाएगा.
Okay, yeah,
Right, and
that's there.
you will get older fast. I mean, they're crazy kind of anything people say, right? But I realize ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. You know, if you are on your mission, you know, there's nothing, right? And a lot of women I know, they are great athletes. I'm telling you, in this endurance sports, women are better than men.
Okay.
Always. Because women have that ability that when it comes to running longer distances, right? उनमें वो ज़्यादा power है to hold on to that pain for longer time.
Okay, all right.
Which men don't have. So I always respect, and I have so many women athletes, and they are much faster and better. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So I am a person who loves to walk.
Yeah.
Like I am not a very big fan of running. So, but I want to get listening to all your life-changing things. I want to start with running.
Yeah.
Why should I run? Motivate me.
Yeah, run means two reasons. One is that running actually gives you a lot of freedom.
Okay.
You know, because when you're running, you don't need a group of people. You can do it alone, right? तुम कहीं पे भी हो. For example, you are traveling or कहीं पे हो. You get up in the morning, wear your shoes and start running. You're free to do it. You're free to explore. A lot of time when I'm traveling, I travel a lot across the world. When I'm traveling to a new city, okay, the best way to explore the new city is to get up and run.
Start running.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
And then you discover, अच्छा यहाँ तुम left जाओ. There's a nice coffee shop there. There's a nice restaurant there. There's a lake there. There is a landscape. There's forest there. It's so beautiful to discover a new place running. Secondly, I always suggest that running has opened a new world, and it can open a new world for everyone. Is that running happens in almost all parts of the world. One of the most beautiful places on earth, you have marathons and races. So that actually gives you a reason to visit that place.
Yeah.
Example, I went to Greece to run. Now, why I went to Greece to run? Because I wanted to study marathon. There's a place called Marathon where the sport started.
Okay.
Okay, and while I was researching for my book, अपनी book लिख रहा था, तो मैंने सोचा कि अगर मैराथन के बारे में लिखना है, why not I go and visit the route? Okay, so I went to Greece and I went to this town called Marathonas, जहाँ पे marathon start हुई थी.
Okay.
Right? So the Greek mythology says that Greeks were fighting with Persians. Persians बहुत ज़्यादा थे, Greeks थोड़े थे, but वो बहुत बहादुर थे. वो लड़ाई हो रही थी इस गांव में, उस गांव का नाम था मैराथन.
Okay.
Okay, and that's the real story of marathon. Now Greeks were very fighters, right? ये छोटे थे नंबर में. उन्होंने बड़ा अच्छा फाइट किया, उन्होंने उनको हरा दिया पर्शियंस को. ठीक है. अब ये मैसेज किंग को देना था. किंग बैठा हुआ था एथेंस, जो उनकी कैपिटल है, राइट? किंग ऐसा चौक में बैठा हुआ था. He was curious to know भाई क्या हुआ. तो एक सोल्जर था, उसका नाम है फिलिडेफीस, and this happened in 400 BC.
Okay.
Okay, that soldier said कि I'll give the message, and he started running. He started running from Marathon city, गांव, to he started running. वो एथेंस आया जहाँ पे किंग बैठा हुआ था. उसने किंग के सामने बोला, 2 बार बोला अपनी भाषा में कि हम जीत गए. And he died because he was so exhausted that he died. So it's a beautiful painting. If you Google, you'll find that person telling the king and dying.
Okay.
Now that journey, right? That's why. So for Greeks, this is like a legendary thing. It's like the part of their history and culture. So जब पहली Olympics हुई, the Greeks hosted the first Olympics in 1896. they thought कि they'll have an event called marathon to celebrate this long distance running. वहाँ पे ये मैराथन, ये इवेंट उन्होंने बनाया
ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है.
कि आप ये 42 किलोमीटर भागो. Then it became an Olympic sport. Right? So marathon is always 42.2 kilometers.
Okay.
And then उसको easy बनाने के लिए इन्होंने एक हाफ मैराथन का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया कि 42 सबके लिए भागना was too much, so they call it half marathon. उसको और easy बनाने के लिए they had some 10K races और 5K races सबके लिए. और मैराथन का ये चीज, अब ये पढ़ने में गया ग्रीस. Okay, I went all the way to Greece, Athens, to study this. So I went to this place where this guy actually started running in 400 BC.
Okay.
मैं वहाँ पे गया, वहाँ पे उसका मंदिर है, वहाँ पे उसका
Okay.
पुतला है, right? उसका स्कल्पचर है, how he started running. So we ran the same course. जहाँ से वो
So
उस
was
time
it
भागा.
42 point something kilometers?
वो थोड़ा सा कम है,
Okay.
because when Olympics happened तो उन्होंने थोड़ा change किया
Okay,
उसको.
all right.
और मोटा मोटी वही है,
हाँ,
42, 40. But the word marathon came from that
That village.
legend.
Oh.
So we ran the entire thing. We came back to Athens. We ran.
So okay, that's
So
nice.
it's learning.
ये
See,
time travel था.
absolutely. It's like you explored something very different. I
Yeah.
mean, otherwise I would have not gone to Greece to do a marathon. But you do this, right?
So you ran the same course.
We ran the same course.
Oh God.
There was a marathon
That's
there.
amazing.
Where it's called Greek Authentic Marathon.
Okay.
So you run the same course.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's
So,
nice.
so you explore. So running gives you freedom. Running gives you strength in your body. You make good friends. You get connected with a great community across the country. It gives you reason to explore within India, outside India. There's so many races happening. So many races happening. You'll not even imagine. There is a race which is a marathon which is on my bucket list. It happens in Antarctica. So you go to Antarctica and run 42 kilometers in ice with penguins.
Oh God.
Right? That's what I'm trying to do next, right? So that's minus 40 degrees there. You are running on ice. A different world.
It's a surreal experience.
Yeah.
Heavenly experience.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, so let's do a quick rapid fire. Abruptly, जल्दी से आंसर देना,
Absolutely.
ठीक है? So morning runs or late night workouts?
Morning runs.
Running solo or running in a group?
Solo.
Coffee before a race or no?
Yes.
Music or no music
No
while
music.
running?
No music.
Sunrise run or sunset run?
Sunrise.
Speed or endurance? What's cooler?
Speed.
Medal you're most proud of?
Iron Man.
The
New
one junk food you secretly crave after every race? You have to think about this. You have to think
Because
about the junk food.
I usually don't eat junk food after the race. Yeah.
Oh God, just look at him.
Maybe,
He has
maybe a
to-
burger or something. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
If you weren't an athlete or an entrepreneur, what would you be?
yeah. Author.
If a movie was made about your life, who should play you?
This guy Vicky Kaushal.
Oh, interesting. A city you dream of running a marathon in.
Antarctica.
Finish line feeling in one word.
Beautiful.
That's great. Amazing. So, I also wanted to ask you this question that a person who is always in motion,
Yeah.
talking about you,
Yeah.
how did you, tell yourself that, Kapil, let's sit and write a book?
So I've written 4 books.
Okay.
Already.
And they're bestsellers.
They're
I read
bestsellers.
about that.
So the first book I wrote, it was called. So a lot of people used to ask me this question कि यार तू इतना काम कैसे करता है? तू दौड़ भी रहा है, काम भी कर रहा है, ये भी
हाँ,
कर रहा
true.
है, and I have a family also. So I asked this question to myself. So I started researching. I started listening to a lot of books, and then I did a course from Harvard about time management.
Okay.
Okay, and my first book was called The 5 Secrets of Time Management. So I wrote a book about how to manage your time well.
Okay.
Second book I wrote, which was about, I thought मैंने लाइफ में इतनी mistakes की हैं, तो सब लोग को mistakes नहीं करनी चाहिए. So I wrote a book about running, which is called 21.1 Running Mistakes,
Oh, okay.
and how to correct them. Every chapter talks about one mistake and how to correct.
Okay.
Then third book, I met my good friend Harbhajan Singh, and I told him about my story. He was very happy to hear my story. I wrote this book about my own journey.
Okay.
How I started my running journey. I went ups and downs, everything. And so there's a quote called "Athletes are made, not born." So the name of the book is "Made, Not Born." Okay, so
Okay.
and the fourth
Interesting.
book was fourth was the first book. There was a contest in our office saying that if you write a one-page story and if your story is selected, it will be turned into a book.
Okay.
So I wrote some stupid story which got selected. And out of 700 entries,
Oh.
they selected 19 stories. So my story got selected
Okay.
and it was turned into a book. So these are 4 books I've written. I acted in a movie also. There was a Yash Raj movie which released last year. So I acted with Anupam Kher.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So we made a movie about triathlon. I was an athlete with him.
Okay.
And we trained for 7-8 days, full days I shot. Yeah. And one day I thought of writing some lyrics about running. I was in South Africa. South Africa में क्या होता है जब रेस स्टार्ट होने वाली होती है ना तो एक गाना गाते हैं.
Mm-hmm.
तो मुझे लगा यार इंडिया में ऐसा कोई गाना नहीं है.
Hmm.
सो हमने गाना लिखना शुरू किया.
अच्छा.
सो फिर हमने गाना लिखा, लिरिक्स लिखे एंड देन आई फाउंड वन गाय हु आई रिमेंबर इज अ म्यूजिशियन. उसने म्यूजिक बनाया. फिर हमने अपने दोस्तों को पकड़ा एंड वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग. So
what's the title of the song?
The title of this song is Mat Mara. So they're saying that तुम्हारी मत मारी गई है. Are you crazy?
So
right?
people who usually run in the morning.
Who run in the morning? Why are you running at like 3 o'clock in the morning? You're nuts. Right? तो उसका था कि the गाने का lyrics है मत मारा हूँ मत मारी है जाना है दूर मगर हिम्मत ना हारी है.
Amazing.
कदम पे कदम जिद जारी है जाना है दूर मगर हिम्मत ना हारी है. So all these things are available on YouTube. The song is available, and of course my books are available on Amazon. You can order. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
That's great.
Yeah.
So to begin with, पहले एक segment पकड़ते हैं. So there are certain people who are working corporates who have a very busy life and जिनके lifestyle तो बिल्कुल ऊपर नीचे है. सोने के वक्त जाग रहे होते हैं, जागने के वक्त सो रहे होते हैं. What is that one message that you would want to convey to them?
See, so life is short, right? You'll keep working till 58, 59, 60, 70 years. But if you're not physically fit, you'll not enjoy life.
That's right.
And do you want to, end of the day, do you want to think कि आपका life कैसा था? Do you want to say कि तुम्हारा 80% life was in a room? When the world is so beautiful, you've not even seen.
Yeah.
Right? So make health your priority. You know, and it has to be priority. It's like saving money. You know, unless and until you make it a priority, you'll never save money.
Yeah.
Because spending is very easy and pleasurable, but saving is tough. You have to sacrifice, right?
True.
Similarly, health has to be priority. Then you have to sacrifice your sleep. You have to sacrifice eating bad food. You have to sacrifice many things. तो उसको priority बनाना important है. It will fetch you crazy amount of dividends. You know, I was famous in my company as a marathoner. My boss came back to me and one day he said कि तुम्हारा next goal क्या? I said I want to go to Africa, I want to go to New Zealand, I want to go to these places. He said how much money will cost? I said 2 lakh rupees. The company will sponsor you.
Oh.
So they sponsored me. And there I was in Brazil. Otherwise I would have not gone to Brazil. I was in Rio de Janeiro, right, doing my Ironman. Thanks to my company, they sponsored. So I was the only guy in Reliance with thousands of people working there who are sponsored. Why? Because they saw this guy has some passion, he wants to do something. So you travel, you go places. You know?
So now when usually when you're gymming ना, आपका इंच लॉस होता है, वेट लॉस होता है, लेकिन एक ऐसा फेज आता है जब स्टैग्नेंसी आ जाती है. मतलब एक वो उसको कहते हैं स्टबर्न फैट और समथिंग लाइक दैट है ना. यू अटक जाते हो बीच में. सो देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर परस्यूइंग रनिंग बट वो थोड़ा सा पुश नहीं कर पा रहे हैं उस चीज को. व्हाट इज द मैसेज यू वुड वांट टू कन्वे टू देम?
सी यू हैव टू फर्स्ट कीप गोइंग एंड weight loss should not be the only goal. The goal should be your overall fitness. Right? And how do you measure fitness? You measure fitness by seeing your endurance. अगर example, अगर आज एक 10 किलोमीटर का रेस आप 45 मिनट में भाग रहे हो and you are aging, after 2 years, are you able to run the 10 kilometer in 42 minutes?
Okay.
मतलब are you getting faster or slower? Natural progression, you will go slower. But if you are getting fitter, you will get faster. So you have to keep measuring yourself.
Okay.
And you have to keep challenging yourself, you know. And yeah, but discipline, you have to keep keep at it. The only way is through it.
Yeah.
एक मेरा योगा कोच था, वो हमेशा बोलता था there is no way, there is no easy way around it, right? Only way is through it.
Yeah.
You have to go through the grind to reach out. वो shortcut मार के नहीं जा सकते. That's the only way.
And your fellow superhumans who are already running marathons, who are good at fitness,
Yeah.
what would you like to tell them?
Yeah, keep at it. I mean, they are crazy people. The kind of people.
And
I
don't
know.
forget, Patnitop Marathon 5.0 is there.
Yeah,
Come,
absolutely.
participate, and let's live together.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So we've heard about Patnitop Marathon 5.0
Yeah.
that's happening,
Yeah.
and you've already told me the kind of response that you are getting, not just from JNK but from the entire country.
Yes.
बाहर से इतने सारे groups of runners are coming over. So I wanted to understand, when is this marathon happening, and what are the other details associated with it? Or if somebody wants to be a part of this marathon, how can they come forward and register for the same?
Perfect. So marathon is happening on 25th of May,
Okay.
which is Sunday, and there are 4 race categories. There is
Okay.
21.1 kilometers half marathon, 10 kilometers, and there is 5-kilometer run, and there is 5-kilometer walkathon. also.
Okay.
If somebody wants to register, in fact, they can just Google Patnitop Marathon 5.0. We'll have the listing. The tickets are listed on Townscript. They can buy the tickets of whichever category, and that's it. And they need to come there one day prior to the race, which is 24th, to collect their kit.
Okay.
Right.
So what is the kit having?
Kit will have the T-shirt and running bib number.
Okay. All right.
Which they need to. That's mandatory to wear. T-shirt is of course not mandatory to wear, but that's a beautiful T-shirt designed by our good friends, and it has a nice message.
Okay.
So please come. It'll be good fun to run and walk together.
Not just with. Also, the best part is you'll be having like different people from different parts of the country. So
Absolutely.
that is going to be an interesting part in itself.
Absolutely. Just imagine, very true. You'll be walking or running with people who probably you would have never met in your life.
True.
But then a lot of time, what happens that they become your friend for life, right? So many times you meet people from other cities, other places, and you just connect. And who knows?
So divided by states, united by Patnitop Marathon.
Awesome.
Okay. So sir, I wanted to ask कि कभी पैशन के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया? कभी रनिंग के अलावा कोई और पैशन को हॉबी पैशन कुछ और परस्यू करके देखा?
Yeah, of course. I keep doing. I found my first love is running, but I realized that there can be second love, and there is always a scope, right? So I realized the second love I realized was swimming.
Okay.
Okay, मेरे को swimming एक टाइम पे बिल्कुल नहीं आता था, बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता था, zero swimming आता था.
Uh-huh.
But I'm crazy. I registered for Ironman जिसमें swimming करना था, पर मेरे को swimming नहीं आता था. Then I hired a coach. मैंने बोला भाई मेरे को swimming सिखा, मेरे को नहीं आता. So he taught me swimming. I learned. But I realized when I went across the world, I realized swimming is a great sport. So I competed in a lot of international events.
Okay.
I went to Bali once. I represented the country. I won 3rd place there. There was a sea swimming.
Okay.
और swimming में भी 2 हैं, एक है pool swimming, एक है sea swimming. What I love most is sea swimming.
Oh,
So
obviously.
you go deep
How
in the
can
sea.
you do normal?
Yeah. You go in the sea and you swim like with nature. You go deep in the sea and swim.
Okay.
So there is this competition called the Ocean Man.
Okay.
They do this competition. There's a 10-kilometer swim and 5-kilometer swim in the sea
Okay.
in 42 countries across the world. So I've gone to 2 countries as of now. Last few months back I went to Dubai to do a 10-kilometer swim in the sea. Then I went to Krabi, and now I am their franchisee in India. So we are doing a Ocean Man India, which we are launching now in Goa.
Okay. Okay.
So so we are doing that 10-kilometer and 5-kilometer ocean swim in Goa. So swimming is a great high. So we'll be going to a lot of countries, lot of places.
So Earth was not enough for you, so
Yeah,
you
swimming
thought,
is-
why not?
Yeah, because swimming is so
That's crazy.
unlike running, swimming is so unpredictable. And that's what excites me, because when you're in the middle of the sea, you have no clue, you have no control. Absolutely no
Yeah.
control. If the current changes and the wave changes, if you want to go here, you can go somewhere else. You can get lost in the sea.
Yeah.
You can die. Anything can happen. It's so uncontrollable. and that's what excites me.
Plus again in the sea there's this luring fear in the mind कि कोई aquatic animal कोई
बड़े बड़े होते हैं,
shark,
उसमें तो
whale.
मजा आता है. There is something called sea leeches.
हाँ
वो
yeah.
आपको काटते रहते हैं,
हाँ.
काटते रहते हैं. It happens.
अच्छा.
Yeah. There are jellyfishes. They keep pinching you.
Yes.
So there are sea leeches, there are jellyfishes. There are other people, I don't know उनका नाम. So whenever I've gone for competition, they keep biting you. When you come out, you'll see all your body, all red and all.
Oh.
It's all part of the game. So they you know, you hit them, they'll bite you. Yeah, ultimately you're going in their territory,
Yeah,
right? So they will,
definitely.
of course.
And like when you talk about Earth, तो ठीक है, we've been here, हमें पता है कि क्या ही encounter हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
But that's completely, मतलब उधर कितना fear of unknown है. You never know what's inside.
Absolutely.
क्या है,
absolutely.
कैसा है.
आप I remember एक बार मैं दुबई में था and we were in the middle of the sea, about 5 kilometers inside, and there was a storm.
Oh God.
There was a storm and now suddenly वो लोग ने markings लगाई थी जहाँ पे we know कि we have to go left or right. So those markings वो नीचे गिर गए. So we don't know. You are in the middle, the waves are coming, hitting you, you are just going down. You don't know where you're going. Because तुम्हें मालूम ही नहीं तुम्हें left जाना है, right जाना है, सीधा जाना है, कहाँ जाना है. And it was scary. It was very scary. But it happens. That's where the fun is.
That's great. So obviously, like when we talk about swimming in deep seas, or we talk about running such long kilometers, so कहीं ना कहीं there are a lot of खतरा भी रहता है, डर भी रहता है, health का भी रहता है कि हो जाएगा कि नहीं. So I want to understand कि how does your family take it? कि वो क्या कहते हैं, भाग कपिल भाग, या कभी कहते हैं रुक भी जा कपिल थोड़ा. How do they react to this? Because I believe wherever you are right now, काफी सारे forces होंगी that were standing with you, and certain forces maybe not too much with you. So what is the response that you get from your family? Because उनके different level of concerns रहते हैं.
You know, great response. So my wife, my daughter, mom, dad. So I think they all love it. They sometimes when I started this journey, they used to feel that boss ये क्या कर रहा है? Is it needed? Why are you doing it? इतना तकलीफ करने की जरूरत क्या है? Right? But then they realize that's what I love, and I thank them all that they've stood by me and they've supported me. अभी भी मैं जाता हूँ, कोई संडे को आता हूँ and I get one trophy कि मैं जीत के आया, tell it to my daughter and she's very happy that I got another trophy. You open my drawer and there are trophies and medals and you know, mementos, so many of them. I keep adding and we keep finding spaces. को भी कहाँ रखें. And but you know, somewhere I think that's the fun of it, and somewhere I'm maybe my role is to inspire some other people.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. But they've all been very, very supportive. Yeah, I'm thankful.
That's great. Very nice. Very sweet of their daughter.
Yeah.
I would really like to meet her.
Yeah, of course.
To understand how it feels to have a father like her.
Yeah.
ऐसे like when we watch movies तो उसमें दिखाते हैं ऐसे super hero just comes कहीं से भी ऐसे जब आते होंगे पापा every weekend I won another trophy, how it feels. So that's great. Amazing journey. But more than amazing, I would say a crazy journey.
Yeah.
So hats off to you, sir.
Thank you.
Hats off to your mental strength, hats off to your physical strength, and hats off to your hunger and the passion that's burning in your eyes.
Yeah.
So keep it moving forward. It inspires not just the runners but also people like us. So thank you so much for everything.
Thank
sir.
you so much. Thanks for having me here.